Good morning. Today we are going to discuss polynomial chapter, some problems. For that first problem, divide the polynomial p of x by given g of x. Here y is p of x, so we need to consider one polynomial. In that polynomial we have degree 3, first problem. So first we need to write in the standard form. So why we need to write that p of x in the standard form? This p of x is nothing but x power 3 plus 1. We are going to write using the x variable x power 3 plus 0 into x square plus 0 into x plus 1. So then only we can subtract easily. So after that we can divide by one another. Okay. Now we are going to divide this polynomial p of x by g of x. Polynomial given now. So for that division algorithm we are going to use. The division algorithm, here we are going to write our p of x in standard form, that is x power 3 plus 0 into x squared plus 0 into x plus 1, because 0 into anything 0. So here x plus 1. Here we have a coefficient 1, here also coefficient 1. So I can use coefficient 1, and x to the power 3, here x power 1. So further I am going to use x power 2. If here x power 4, I need to use x power 3. Suppose x squared, I need to use x. So that power should be 3. So 1 plus 2, 3. So like that I need to introduce. So x squared into x power 3. X squared into x, that is x to the power 1. X power 2 plus 1, that is x power 3. So like that we need to introduce. Okay. Next, multiply 1 x squared into x power 3, and x squared plus 1 is x squared. Now divide. So for that just use the subtraction. So change the sign. Here plus means minus, minus means plus. So subtraction from this. Now we have 0 into x squared, that is 0 into x squared minus x squared. This is the meaning. So here 0 minus x squared, that is the meaning, that is minus x squared. If you have 1 minus, that is here you have x squared, here also x squared, you can cancel. Suppose here 2x squared, so 2 minus 1, 1. So like that is 2 minus 1 x squared. Like that you need to subtract. Here 0 minus 1, that is minus 1. So minus x squared. Here as it is you need to write plus 0 into x plus 1. Now we need to introduce that coefficient minus 1, here plus 1 no. So I need to introduce minus x. Then only minus 1 into 1 plus minus 1. Then x into x, x squared. Like that I need to introduce. Then minus 1 into minus 1. So minus 1 into plus 1, minus 1. So coefficient here 1 into minus x. This is the meaning, 1 into minus x, minus x. Now the same way, this is subtract, minus no, so plus. So minus no plus, then you can carry over 1. Cancel x squared, here 0x, 1x, that is x plus 1. Now we need to introduce the number here, variable x, but coefficient 1. So plus 1. So 1 into x, 1 into 1, 1. So subtraction, so minus, so 0. So now how can you write x power 3 plus 1? We return this form for our division, for our convenience. X 0 and x squared is our division, but no need. You can write x plus 1 into x squared minus x plus 1. So if you have a remainder 0, you know that this thing is a factor. X plus 1 is a factor of this polynomial. So we can divide like that. So introduce the coefficients. Okay. Next problem. We have the 3x power 4. So I need to introduce as well. So 3x power 4. Next variable minus 2x power 3. 4, 3. Next 2 no, but here given one constant 1. So just you need to introduce 0 into x squared plus 0 into x plus 1. Now divide by x minus 2. Getting the coefficient 3. So you need to introduce 3. Here x power 4. So x power 3 you need to introduce. Then only 3 into 1, 3. X power 3 into x. That is, this is the meaning. 3x power 3 into x. So other way, how can you use? You need to multiply, you need to introduce this, no? So 3x power 4 just to divide by this x. So automatically 3x power 3, that is power 1, 4. X power 4 minus 1, like that you can write. So 3x power 3. So as per your coefficient, you need to introduce one number. So now 3x power 4, 3 into 2, that is minus 2 into 3, minus 6, x power 3. Subtract, change the sign. You can cancel this. So minus 2 plus 4, that is plus 6 is 4x power 3. You can carry over this. Plus 0 into x squared plus 0 into x plus 1. So now next number 4. So here no coefficient, no. So 1. So we can reduce 4 plus 4 into 1, 4. Here x power 3, x squared. So 4x power 3 minus 8x power 2. That's all. Change the sign. Cancel this. So 0 plus 8. So 8x squared plus 0 into x plus 1. Now here x. Here 8. X. So introduce 8. So 8 into x. 8 x I need to 8 into x. 8x squared. Here minus 16x. This is subtract. You can cancel this. Here 16. 0 plus 16. So x plus 1. So next number I need to introduce according to this. So plus 16 into x is 16x. Why I need to introduce 16? Plus 16 into x. So here coefficient 1, no. So 16x. Then minus 2, that is 16 into minus 2, minus 32. Subtract. Change the sign. Cancel this. 1 plus 32, 33. Now the remainder is 33. So what do you think you can write from this? Remainder not equal to 0. So automatically x minus 2 is not a factor of this polynomial. That is g of x is not a factor of this polynomial. This thing we can tell by using your remainder theorem. And also you can write the remainder is 33 like that. This problem is, I just introduced the coefficient is 0 like that. Okay. Next problem. So examine whether x minus 3 is a factor of this thing. Already you know that you studied x minus 3 is a factor. Then it should satisfy this equation. So that is your remainder 0. So consider second problem. Consider the polynomial p of x as p of x equal to x power 3 minus 4x squared plus x plus 6. Now given x minus 3. So find the 0 of this polynomial, that is 0, that is x equal to plus 3. Find the value of p of 3 at x equal to 3. If the value is 0, you can tell x minus 3 is a factor. Otherwise, you can tell it's not a factor. Right. So 3 power 3 minus 4 into 3 squared plus 3 plus 6. So 3 power 3 27 minus 4 into 9 plus 3 into 6 9. So 27 36 9. So 27 plus 9 36. So 36 minus 36. So automatically 0. So therefore x minus 3 is a factor. Right. If x minus 3 is a factor, then what can you say about the things are given 2x minus x and all? If x minus 2 is a factor means you are going to find the 0 of this, no. Next thing is given 2x minus x is a factor or not. So 2x minus 6. Now find the 0 of this polynomial. So 2 we can write as common, or 2x minus 6 equal to 0. So 2x equal to 6, so x equal to 6 by 2, that is x equal to 3. Now x equal to 3, now already we proved this is a factor. Other way, 2x minus 6 we can write 2 into, 2 is a common number because 6 we can write 2 into 3. So 2 into x minus 3. If you have the product of one x minus 3 and other number 2, 3, so on, and means we can say that this is also a factor. Similarly, 3x minus 9 we can write as 3 multiple of 3, no, so 3 into x minus 3 because we can write 3 into 3 common. So 3 into x minus 3, so automatically we can say that this is also a factor. Or another way, just to find the 0 of the polynomial, 3x minus 9. So 3x equal to 9, so x equal to 9 by 3, that is x equal to 3. So x equal to 3 is a factor. So like that we can check. Right. Next problem is given. Find the value of x minus 2 is a factor of p of x. We need to find the value. So for that is a factor given. So x minus 2 equal to 0. So that is x equal to 2. Substitute. So p of x equal to first one x squared minus 2x plus k. Now we need to substitute. We need to consider the value 0 because it is satisfied now. So that is let p of x equal to 0. So that is x squared minus 2x plus k equal to 0 when x is equal to plus 2. That is x is equal to plus. That is 2 squared. Here given that is p of 2 equal to 3. This is the mean. P of x equal to 0 we need to consider when x is equal to 2. Now 2 squared minus 2 into 2 plus k equal to 0. So 4 minus 4 plus k equal to 0. So 4 we can cancel. So automatically k equal to 0. K equal to 0 is the value. Okay, next problem. So for that idea you have what thing we need to check whether x minus 2 is a factor, then what is the value of k? So means p of x equal to 0, that is x squared plus 2kx minus 2 root 2 equal to 0 when x is equal to 2. Substitute x equal to 2. Like that we need to consider. So 2 squared plus 2k into 2 minus root 2 equal to 0. So 4 plus 2 into 2. 4k minus root 2 equal to 0. 4 and root 2 are unlike terms, not possible to add. So that we can write in right side. So 4k equal to minus 4 plus root 2. So k equal to minus 4 plus root 2 whole divided by 4. This is the value of k. Like that, right? Because root 2 and 4 these all are unlike terms. Right. Next problem. So p of x equal to given kx square plus 2x minus 5. So that is kx square plus 2x minus 5 when equal to 0 when x equal to 2. This is the meaning. That is p of 2 equal to 0. We need to consider p of x equal to 0 when x equal to 2. That is things written. So now we need to find the value of k. So k into 2 square plus 2 into 2 minus 5 equal to 0. So 4k plus 4 minus 5 equal to 0. 4k minus 1 equal to 0. So 4k equal to plus 1. So k equal to 1 by 4. So watch repeatedly. If you don't understand, watch repeatedly. And similarly, we need to factorize this thing. So first column 6x squared plus 17x plus 5. So we are going to solve by using our middle term separation. Here think about 17, 5 and 6. So 17 we need to separate as per 6. How can we separate? I can write 12 plus 5. For your 17, I can write 12 plus 5. 12 is a multiple of 6. 5 already given. So we can separate the term. So like that, in other possibilities, you can write 15 plus 2, but 2 and 5, no, so not possible to take any common number. So like that we can separate your 17, but according to the number 6 and 5, that coefficient are x squared and the constant term. By using this we need to separate. So here 12 plus 5, no, so 6x squared plus 12x. Don't write 5x plus 12x. Just multiple of 6, no, here, that's why 12 plus 5x plus 5. So 6x of that first two term. I am going to write 6x. 6x remaining x plus 6 into 2, 12. So it's 2. Then plus 5 into x plus 1. So here we written 6x squared plus 12x plus 12x plus 5x plus 5. Now think about 6x squared. 6x we written here x plus 2. X plus 2, x plus 1. Not possible. Now like that we need to, because next we need to take a common factor. Next we need to think about these numbers. So for that, how it's possible? 17, we need to write more other possibilities. What are the possibilities are there? We need to check. So for that, plus 5 plus 5. Here what are the possibilities next? 6x squared. So I can introduce 6x squared. Suppose 12 plus 5 we written already. It's not possible because here x plus 2, here x plus 1. The next multiples of 6. Multiple of 6 means 18 minus 1, 17. 18 okay, but here right side my negative and positive. So not possible. This is also not possible. This is also not possible. Next thing, multiple of 6 and multiple of 5. What are the possibilities? Means 6x squared plus 17x plus 5. What are the possibilities? Suppose I am going to write 17 plus x as 11, 6. That is 6 plus 6, 11, not possible. Then 2, 15. 2, 15. If you are going to write 2, 15, 17, I am going to check what are the possibilities. 2 we can write, 15 we can write, 15 here also we can reduce because 15 and 5 are multiples, 2 and 3, 6 are multiples. Suppose I am going to reduce plus 2x plus 15x plus 5. Here common 6, 2, so 2x. So remaining 3. That is, we can write the factors of 6, 2 into 3. So 3x plus 1. Here 15 and 5. So it's a multiple of 5. So plus 5 into 5 means here 3x plus 1. Now this is a common factor. We can write 3x plus 1 into 2x plus 5. So now the factors of 6x squared plus 17x plus 5 is this 3x plus 1 and 2x plus 5. So like that we need to introduce these numbers. 215 is the only possibilities. Next, y squared minus 5y plus 6. Here 6, here there is no coefficient, there is coefficient 1. So you can write as multiple term, that is it's a product term a into b, it's an addition term a plus b. Because the general polynomial is y squared minus a plus b into y plus a into b. This thing you can study later, but anyway, this is the product term, this is the sum of the factors. So 6, the next term should be 5. 2 into 3, we need to multiply, not 2 3s are 6, but we need minus, so minus 2 and minus 3 is the possibility. So like that we need to separate. So anyway, y squared minus 5y plus 6. So for that I am going to write y squared minus 2y minus 3y plus 6. So y into, first two term, y into y minus 2 minus 3 into y minus 2. So now y minus 2 is a factor, y minus 2 into y minus 3. Now the factors of this thing, this. Suppose you return this, you can write that directly by using this number, y minus 2 into y minus 2. Now the factors of this y squared minus 5y plus 6 is y minus 2 into y minus 3. Right. Next problem. 12x squared minus 7x plus 1. Here 12, here 7, but here 1. Think about here 1. There is no common, 1 is the only common number. No? But 7 we can split as using 1. So I can write minus 6 and minus 1. Right. So 12x squared as minus 6x minus 6. According to this one, I need to write only 1 I can use, that's all. Right. Now 12 and 6. So for that 6, x squared and the x. So 12 we need to write 2x. Here plus we return no, so minus 1. Right. Here what thing I can write? Minus x minus, suppose you return 1 x minus. Think about here 2x minus 1, here x minus 1. So wrong. So that is multiple of 6 and 1. So that is I have returned minus 7 as minus 6 minus 1. And write this, but it's not. So next we can split to minus 7 according this 12. 3 and 4. Because 3 also divide 12 and 4 also divide 12. So for that we will try. So minus, suppose 4x minus 3x plus 1. So now multiple of 4 not 12. So 4 I can write, x also I can write. Remaining 4 into 3 is 12. So 3x minus 1. Here I am going to write minus 1 is a common. So minus 1 is here 3x minus 1. Now it's possible. So like that we need to check. Right. Now 3x minus 1 into 4x minus 1. 3 you can write as common, 3x minus 1 as a common, remaining 4x minus 1 into it. So don't confuse this one, we need to take minus 1. So here minus, here we need to write as plus, no, minus into minus, just a minus. Right. Next problem. 3x squared minus x minus 4. Here minus 4, but here minus 1 is small number. So split accordingly. So 3x squared. Here possibilities, I am going to use minus 4. So what is the possibilities? 4 I need to introduce. So 4 possibilities of 4. Suppose 2 is not a division. No. Suppose 2 means how can I possible 2 plus 2 then minus x. Suppose it's wrong. Plus x minus 2. Now 3x we can take, but 3x plus 1 no. Here 3x plus 1 not possible. So 1 comma minus 2 not possible for your minus x. Then another thing, minus 1 plus 2 it's not possible because we need minus 1. The next for minus 1, according to this 4 we need means we can use this minus 1 as plus 4 minus 2. So answer plus 1. Let's change plus 3 minus 4. So 3 minus 4 minus 1. So that is I am going to introduce plus 3x minus 4 because 3 here, 4 here. Like that I need to think by ourselves. So here plus 3x minus 4x minus 4 using middle term separation. So here 3 common, x is also common. So x plus 1. Here minus 4 into minus 1. So minus 4 into x, here also plus 1. Don't write minus 1. Now x plus 1 common. So x plus 1 into 3x minus 4. So this is the factor. So like that you need to do right. Thank you.